everyone, today we can draw Mickey Mouse.
That's right, we're going to be drawing Mickey Mouse because we love Mickey Mouse.
Yeah.
He's so cute. We're going to show you a nice, easy way to draw Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, and it's a trick.
It's a trick. We're going to show you a trick.
We're gonna have a pencil and this.
That's right, we're going to use our Sharpie, but first we're going to use our pencil and our cup.
This.
Okay, are you ready to draw Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
Okay, hope you all follow along and have fun. Let's go. First we got our pencils. Okay, we are gonna draw Mickey Mouse using a clever little trick that's gonna help us to get Mickey Mouse's round head and ears.
We're going to have this, so we can
erase the guidelines. So these are called guidelines. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna draw some guidelines using a simple cup, and we're gonna draw Mickey Mouse's head. Just lightly draw a nice big circle around the cup, not hard, just slightly, and that's gonna give us our first circle. You try that one with your pencil.
Can you hold it for me?
Do you want me to hold it for you? No problem. I'll hold it for you. That's right, go nice and lightly. Start other side, go all the way around. That's right, keep going, and you can lean over so you can see the other side if you want.
I can stand up on my chair.
That's right, go all the way around. Keep going. It's alright, we just do it lightly and you can do it fast because we're gonna erase these anyway. Keep going. Go all the way around, do that last little bit. Alright, got it. Good job. Yes, you got your circle. And then we're gonna use a smaller cup.
I can't literally see a little bit.
I know, we don't need to see it much, we just need to see a little bit. And then we're gonna use a little cup, and this is gonna be for Mickey Mouse's ears. You can use whatever cup you like. We just got something. We got like a silly little plant.
One.
A pretend plant, that's right. So it's not a real plant. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna draw a nice little circle. Put my hand around, go all the way around. That's gonna be my first ear. And then I'm gonna do my second ear right there. Try to get it in the same place on the other side. Just lightly again, go all the way around. There we go, got 2 ears. So you can do your one, I can help you if you want. Go all the way around. That's right, go on the other side. Good job, awesome. And now we'll just get it placed first, hang on. We just want to see where the ear is. Yeah, that should be good. Try that one. You got it? Good job, nice. Try to use something plastic, something that's not gonna break. Like glass or porcelain. So this, it's not gonna break, it's all done. Now we can move on to our
Sharpies.
Our Sharpies, our markers. Right, now we can trace that line that we've just drawn with our Sharpies.
I'm going to do this one, my ears first.
You can do, I'm going to do my ears first too. And we're just going to go all the way around. Doesn't have to be perfect, but it gives us a nice line that we can follow. That's it.
Then we're going to erase it, aren't we?
Then we're going to erase all of our pencil lines. Good job, you're doing so good there. Very good. Yep, that's fine. We're not going to draw that line anyway, we'll color it in. Good?
Yeah.
That's fine, you don't have to follow that one. Or you can just draw it like I did. Just try follow your line. Good job.
Erase now.
Alright, so then what we're going to do
I'm going to go
is just erase our little pencil lines because we don't need those now. There we go.
Thank you.
Good job. Just softly. Going softly. There you go. Okay. That's good. I can remove a little eraser dust. Okay, ready to move on to our nose? Good job. Okay, we're gonna draw our nose. Our nose is gonna be an oval shape right here in the middle, but just a little bit near the bottom. So we're gonna go big oval shape like that. A little bit higher. A little bit about there. Draw a nice big oval. Good work. That's perfect. And then we're going to draw a nice little highlight inside for his nose. And then we'll color. Good job. Then we're going to color in his nice little nose. Nice. Okay. Now we're going to draw a line that goes over the top of his nose. And that's going to be the bottom of his eyes. It looks like that. And if you want, you can do 2 little guide points. You can join that line to there. And then just go over his nose and come back down. Good job. And now we're going to follow this line. But we're going to leave a little gap where we draw another little line there. Leave a gap and then another little line. That's it. Perfect. And follow the line. There we go. And then from the middle of these 2 little lines, we're going to draw a smile. A big smiley mouth. Great job. Join them with a nice smile. Good job. I like how you put your hand above it to draw that nice curve. Really good job. Then we're going to draw the bottom of his mouth. And it's going to go down with a loop and then come back up. Yeah, and then around and back up. Good, nice.
That's the same as yours.
It looks exactly the same as mine. You're doing so good. But it doesn't matter. They don't have to look the same. Then we're going to draw 2 little lines. And that's his tongue. So we're going to draw 1 line and then 2
it's
lines.
like
That's it. Good. And we can color in his mouth. Because the bottom part is his tongue. And we'll color his tongue in later. With some colors. Now we've got Mickey Mouse's nose and mouth. Now we can move on to Mickey Mouse's eyes.
Nose.
Yeah, we got his nose, we got his mouth. Now we can move on to his eyes. Okay, for his eyes, they're like long circles, like ovals. And they go up like this. 1 and 2. And I'm going to start with those 2 lines. Good job. Perfect. And then we're going to draw a little loop on top to come back down. So it kind of looks like an upside down J. That's it. And then
upside down you.
Yeah, or an upside down U. And now we join our lines all the way down. Good job, your Mickey Mouse is looking so good.
And then we're going to join the same.
No, first then we're going to draw the same type of circle or oval, but inside.
I was going to say it.
Oh, you were going to say that? You already know.
That.
That's really good. Really good. And then we're going to draw a little circle inside at the top. And that's going to be the highlights for his eye. And we can go and color in.
The bottom.
That's right. You're doing so good. I really like your Mickey Mouse.
Thank you.
Nice work. Now we need to draw the outline for his hair. And we're going to start with drawing a kind of like a cuff for cat. And it's going to go in like that. And another one on the other side. So about there. Yep. Okay. That's it. Yep. And then the other side. Good job. And then from there, we're going to join a line. And it kind of looks like an M. So it goes that side of the M and then the other side. But it's going to go up above and then back down. So watch here. Go up above and then down. Okay, you watching? Over his eye and then down. So you go from there, go up and then down to the little point you go. Perfect. And then all the way around. Great job! Awesome work. Well done, Sona. Now we can draw Mickey Mouse's body. Are you ready for Mickey Mouse's body? Okay. Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're gonna draw his body. So we're gonna do 2 lines that go out like that. One that side and one on his right side. So from here you start over there. And it comes out. It's kind of that goes slightly out. Yeah, we can draw a dot here. So join that line to that one, and now draw the same on the other side.
To here.
Yep. Good job. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a little K again, kind of like the letter C on either side. Small one. That's it. And then we're gonna join
like handcuffs.
little handcuffs, little hooks. We're gonna draw a curved line. And this is the top of his shorts. So it goes curved line, goes up and then back down.
That's silly.
Isn't that silly? I think it's cute. Good job.
I love Minnie Mouse.
Yeah, I love Mickey Mouse too. Then we're gonna draw another line. It's kind of like the ones we drew first and also sticks out a little bit, but not too long. There we go, that's perfect. And then on the other side. Good. And now we're gonna join them together with a nice smooth curve. Yeah, it's got smooth where they meet. Good job, yeah, that's good, I like it. And now Mickey Mouse has nice big white buttons on his shorts.
Yeah.
So they're oval shapes. So we're gonna draw an oval here.
That's ginormous.
He's got big buttons. And there we go, big nice buttons. That's it, nice, good job. Good. And we're gonna draw Mickey Mouse's little arms. So we're gonna draw a line that comes out on either side. Like that. That's gonna be the top of his arms. Yep. There you go. Yep. And the other side. Good job. And then we're gonna draw it coming in. That's his elbows, but not all the way in. Don't touch just yet. Okay. That's it. There, right there. And then back in. Good job. And now we're gonna draw a circle. That goes. Well, it's not.
Is that
perfect.
a hand?
Yeah. It's a kind of a hand like this. It goes across his wrist. That's it. Perfect. Yeah, good job. Yeah. And you can, yeah, that's it. And then we're going to draw a line that goes like this.
Yeah.
Then we draw a line that goes like this. Yep.
Right there.
Yeah, that's right. Goes in. Yeah, good job. Same on that side. Good job. And then you can join a line like that. You've drawn these really good arms there, well done. Okay, and then the last bit is just to draw a circle at the bottom going behind his shorts. That's it, that's his gloves. Mickey Mouse always has nice big fat white gloves. Now we've got
We forgot the legs.
his legs, that's right. So we're gonna
You can't even walk.
you can't walk, you just bounce around. Okay, so we're gonna draw two slightly curved lines, just little ones, just really short, not too long. So short little legs. Good job. Good. And now we're gonna round it off at the bottom. So round a bit and join them nice and smooth. Good job. And now we're gonna draw another K shape on either side. That's it. And then other side too. Very good. And we're gonna draw a curved line. This is gonna be the top of his shoe, okay? And it goes up and then back down. It's got big feet.
Big rainbow.
Yes, so you can draw from there and then join it to there, but with a big curve at the top, okay? You know, curve it at the top. Yes, nice. And you can draw
same.
Yeah, same that and you curve it up. Good job.
I'm done to Mickey Mouse.
And then at the back of his shoe, we're gonna draw another curve like that. Another curve like that. Good job. Really nice. And then we just need to join these two. And you just try to join them with a smooth curve. Very nice. We have finished
forgot the
our Mickey
colouring.
Mouses. Hey, high five. You did so good on that one. Are you ready to color? Great. We're gonna color. We're gonna fast forward through our coloring.
The Mickey Mouse looks like.
We're gonna fast forward through our coloring, but if you need to catch up, hit the pause button. Catch up with us. Hope you enjoy. Let's go. You ready? Wow, Summer, you have done such a nice Mickey Mouse. Do you like it? Yeah. Did you have fun? High five for having fun. Well done. Do you like my Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
Yeah, you've done such a good job.
Yours is on the ground and mine is falling to the sky.
Yeah.
into the-
Oh, you forgot his little legs. Ah, quickly.
I'll do this one.
Yeah, you can use that one. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm sure your Mickey Mouses look
Bye-bye.
so good, and I hope you also like our new little trick with the cups and the pencils. Well done, Summer. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.